Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and enjoying the rush of holiday fever, activities and the general mayhem associated with holiday season. How is your preparation for Christmas going? I hope you are managing and at the top of your list of shopping and everything. Today we will make this beautiful snowflake which you can use as ornament, as an add-on your gifts, or if you use a bigger yarn, a heavier yarn, you can even use it as a tea coaster. If you look closely, it's very easy and you will remember that we have used the same pattern for first 2 rounds at least as we have for granny circle. This is what it looks like on the other side. I have used plain yarn and with that I have run this tinsel thread to give it a bit of shimmer and make it more festive looking. Today I will use this light blue and tinsel yarn with it as well. We'll start by making slip knot. Chain 5, make a ring by joining first and last chain and slip stitch. Get the tail away from your working position and chain 3. This chain 3 will be our first double crochet. Yarn over and in this space, in this tiny space, we'll make our next double crochet. If you look at this sample, you will see that in the first round we have made clusters of 2 double crochet. In total we have 6 clusters and in between we have chain 2. So let's make the similar round. After making 2 double crochets, we'll make 2 chains and next double crochet. We will also crochet above this loose end, this thread. So we have for granny circle, we have clusters of just 2 double crochet and in between clusters we have 2 chains. Let's quickly finish our round. We have 5 and this will be 6th and last. Chain 2 and let's join with the first chain 3. This is what our snowflake looks like after first round. Let's start the second one. To start next round, we will slip stitch and go to this chain 2 space. And in this chain 2 space, we will make our first cluster. Let's have a look at our snowflake once again. In second round, we have 2 clusters and in between we have chain 3. Let's do the same. Above a cluster, chain 1, and in this way we will complete our round. So in every chain 2 space we will make 2 clusters and 3 chains. Above a cluster, chain 1, and next chain 2 space. This is last space and we will make last pair. Chain 1 and join with the first cluster. This is what our snowflake looks like after 2 rounds. In third round, in chain 3 spaces we have a cluster and in chain 1 space we have single crochet and in between we have chain 3. So let's make that. Let's slip stitch to the first chain 3 space and make our first cluster. After our first cluster, we'll make chain 3 and in this chain 1 space, 1 single crochet and chain 3. In next chain 3 space, next cluster. So the repeat is 1 cluster, chain 3, 1 single crochet. So this is our cluster. Now we will make chain 3 and in chain 1 we will make single crochet and then chain 3. So it's very easy and quick. This is our third round. This is our last chain 3 space. This is our last chain 3, and in this chain 1 we'll single crochet and make chain 3 and join with the first cluster. Let's have a look. Let's compare. Now we have just one round left in which we will make these peaks and work in these chain 3 spaces as well. Let's start. At the top of our cluster we have made these peaks using chain 3. Chain 3 and in the middle double crochet, slip stitch. Now chain 5, slip stitch, and another chain 3. After making 3 single crochets in our chain 3, we will make our chain 3 and slip stitch in the middle stitch, chain 5, again a slip stitch, and chain 3. Again in this chain 3 we will make 3 single crochets, we will not do anything with this single crochet and come to the other part of our chain 3 and make 3 single crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch. Chain 5 and slip stitch in the middle double crochet, and in this way we will continue working on our snowflake. After making 3 single crochet in our last chain 3, we will slip stitch with our first loop or peak. Let's cut our yarn and fasten our end. If you are planning to hang your snowflake somewhere, then of course make a loop using the same yarn. Let's hide our tail. Here is the final look of our snowflake. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful, and if you are planning to use thread instead of lightweight yarn, you can even starch it, spray it with starch, and it will give it a little more body. You can use them as ornaments on your trees, your fireplace, or even on your gifts. So have fun playing around with this easy snowflake, and do let me know your experience with this easy pattern. Until next time, take care.